Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Pulse. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max Pulse. We've got this in the cobblestone reflect silver colorway, in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Let's get unboxing. And this is a new Air Max unit from Nike right here. I really dig it. It's really cool. And when I read the little presser that was on Nike's website about the sneaker, it said that this is inspired by the London music scene. I mean, I'm thinking that they took it from grime. When I think of grime, I think of your Air Maxes, your 110s or TNs. For people watching who are familiar with or slang, 110s or your Air Maxes, it's usually your TNs, 95s, because back in the day they used to cost £110. So yeah, for Americans or wherever you're watching, that's what I mean when I say 110. And yeah, you can see it from the design even, it takes some inspiration from sneakers from the 90s. Anyway, we'll start looking at the sneakers. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got this translucent part here showing the Air Max unit right there for you. So this is a bit different to the main body of the outsole, but essentially you got your traditional waffle system. You find in a lot of Air Maxes, Nike swoosh there also. Again, this uses a very visible Air Max unit so you can see the bubble there for you. Moving on to the midsole. So again, as I mentioned before, you've got a very visible Air Max unit because it's the 270 unit. It's a massive bag right there for you. Probably one of Nike's biggest ones to date. Obviously, I'm not including the ones that just surround it, like the Nike Scorpion even. And so you've got the polyurethane midsole also, and I do like this little design right here. So just above the Air Max unit here, the 270. This reminds me of the Nike Homura, where they covered parts of the midsole unit here. So it's like in this knit. It's very nice, very good touch. Looking at the upper, so this upper reminds me like of the Air Max 97 and the Air Max TNs. So just the shape reminds me of the TN, and you got those like little chevrons that remind me of a TN. The overall cut reminds me of a 97. And if you look around the sneaker here, it's like it continues right there all the way to the heel. So the whole materials of the upper is synthetic materials, no levers made here. So if you look at the toe box, you can see the meshes also, so it makes it more breathable. You got two swooshes on the lateral side, so you got like this metallic silver one, and just beneath it you got the Nike swoosh, and that's why this reminds me of the 97 so much. And if you look at the medial side, you got the black stitching on the Nike swoosh. The tongue, it reminds me again of your TNs, that Air Max logo right there, the little MX, and I'm a big fan of this, like throws it back to the 90s. Very nice and padded tongue, padded ankle support also. And if you look at the insole, it's polyurethane insole, and you've got the Air Max logo also. Looking at the back, so you've got a heel clip. I think it's plastic, it could be rubber, but it feels more like plastic to me. And then you've got your little Nike swoosh in the metallic, and just below it you've got a new lettering. I've never seen this lettering from Air Max before, but I think it's a nice touch. But yeah, you can kind of see the inspiration used here. Obviously Nike Air Max TN 95s, 97s, heavily worn by loads of grime artists, grime MCs back in the day. So that's what I think Nike are alluding to when they say London music scene. Probably one of the most influential sneakers are kind of seen, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm really excited to try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these. Pulse on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm EK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. It's really comfy on, and big fan of the Air Max unit. It's it's big as it is. Very cushiony as well, very step.
Can you also? Do you think it will fade the blue to yellow?
I do think that the bubble will fade in regards to colour. Hopefully it doesn't. I have seen people's, to be fair, it's like a clearer ones, the ones I've seen in the past, but with it being blue, I do think that these will be yellow. But that just shows you to wear your kicks if you want that aged look. If you want to prevent it from happening, let me know in the comment section below, because I don't have any recommendations for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.